So now we come to the first element tadi. Kita ada 7 elemen. So the first element is an offer. Tawaran. Definitionnya lebih kurang macam ni lah. Bila one person, dia promise to do something. And then dia bagi tahu, dia signifies to the other party that dia nak buat tu in order to get the assent. Assent ni maknanya consent, persetujuan of the other. So that is an offer. So kalau ikut definition ni, right, offer tu mesti is a kind of a promise made by one person to the other person with the purpose, dengan intention, dengan tujuan, with the objective dia kata dia nak buat tu, with the purpose that the other party agree or not pada promise dia tadi. So that is an offer. Ni contoh dia. Zaid, dia offer. Dia bagi tahu Adam, signifies to Adam. Adam, I want to sell to you my car for 30,000. So ayat dia macam-macam cara lah. Tak kisahlah macam mana korang buat offer pada orang kan. Awak nak jual tak? Awak nak beli tak? Macam tu. Saya nak jual kereta saya pada awak dengan harga 30,000. Awak nak beli ke? So ayat-ayat tu contoh lah. Tapi dia punya cara tu, it shows that this one person, dia signifies to the other party that dia nak buat sesuatu. He wants to do something. Apa dia? Dia nak sell his car to Adam for the price of 30,000. So inilah yang dikatakan offer. So Zaid ni kita panggil offeror, promisor, proposal. Offer ni is not necessarily that you want to sell. It can be you want to buy. Saya nak beli kereta awak ni lah. Tu boleh juga. So it can be offer to sell or offer to buy. Dia depends on the first person who makes the promise. Yang dia nak buat sesuatu and then the other party agree or not to his promise. Itu dia offer by virtue of section 2A. Okay, so that is the definition. Lepas tu you belajar pula how to make an offer. Macam mana nak buat offer. So according to section 9, dia ada dua cara. It can be express. Express ni maknanya clearly stated, expressly given, secara nyata. So meaning it is made in words. Maknanya offer tu dibuat secara bertulis atau verbal, menggunakan perkataan. So itu express. So tadi kalau kata A tadi dia offer to sell his car to B, right? So maknanya dia expressly, dia nyatakan in words dengan perkataan dia, nyatakan I want to sell to you my car. So this is express offer. Tapi kalau implied, the offer is inferred. Offer tu secara termaklum. Macam faham-faham, understood from the conduct of the parties, tingkah laku of the parties involved. Itu implied. Macam mana tu offer secara conduct of the parties? Ada terfikir tak yang you buat offer secara conduct? Tak bercakap, tak menulis. Contohlah kan. Muhairul, nanti you nak beli makanan untuk adik-adik kan. Katakanlah nak beli nasi campur kan. Where you take the rice, the food, chicken, gravy and so on. You put into one plate ke ataupun dia punya bekas tu. Ini kalau self-service lah kan. In the self-service restaurant. Maknanya you sendiri ambil. So your act tu, your conduct tu when you take the food by yourself. And then what you do? You go to the cashier. For the purpose of nak bayar lah kan. So maknanya that conduct is an offer. Itulah dipanggil implied offer. The offer is inferred, understood from the conduct of the parties. Maknanya by looking at your conduct, you ambil makanan tu, you bawa ke cashier nak bayar. So that is an offer. Implied offer. Tapi kalau express offer made in words, maknanya ini situation yang bukan self-service. Apa dia? Masuk restoran tu, Muhairul tadi nak beli makanan kan, adik dia nak apa katakan adik dia nak KFC. So pergi kat kaunter kan, berbaris nak beli kan, betul tak?
Betul.
Sampai dekat cashier, okay, nak makan apa? Saya nak set A, set B. Macam tu. Maknanya itu express ke implied?
Express.
Express, yes, correct. Express lah tu sebab you made in words. Walaupun you kata, okay, saya nak yang set A, set B, set C, katakanlah. Right. So maknanya from your words, you are making an offer to buy that food. It is expressed in words, secara verbal, lisan. So that is express offer. Even though you don't mention, saya nak buat tawaran, nak beli set A dengan, tak ada kan? Ada ke cakap macam tu?
Tak ada.
Tak ada. You cuma kata saya nak set A, set B, set C, katakanlah. Right. So still you use the words verbally. So that is express offer. Tapi kalau yang tadi you sendiri ambil makanan, you diam je sampai ke cashier. Cashier pun kata RM5. So you pun terus keluar duit. Tak bercakap pun, tak apa. Still there is an offer. Implied offer from you to buy the food. Can you see the difference between express and implied?
Boleh madam.
Boleh